Yeah. Live. So yeah. Yeah. Yes. Muito bom, so great, yeah. Muito bom, so dan Grega na pain, you know. Barango na, Saint Bait na, Hopkins na, dan Grega na Balis na. How soon Grega Ballistic Gwele? Well, we get to let DYFA Wabagari radio station 91.7 FM. Dan Grega get loose soon ubo. No do hanyo. Well, tonight, I want to say good night to all the radio listeners on 91.7 FM and also on our Facebook page and on YouTube. Welcome to this edition. This is DYFA, normally Tuesday night sports show. Right now on the road right now, so still we got to give information about what's going on in the country and what's going on around the world with our people, our Belizean people, our Garifuna people. So tonight we are talk about make we support the local kitchens and we cooks. So we don't want no credit. No credit. Alright. We do have a lot of people that cook out of the house, which is a good thing. I like it. I want to big up all the cooks there. Right? All the cooks there. For my good friend Bertis, Sherman Siego, Ezra Colon, Norberto, everybody you see on the screen earlier, those ladies that cook out of their house, we appreciate that. So we want to give thanks and praises to these people who feed with Agriga, food with affordable, food with healthy. You know who to cook your food. Their kind of food that we eat their food long time. So these ladies are doing a wonderful job in Dangriga, right? Bertis, Sermon Siego, Jose Fabakapenko, Ezra, Colon, Norberto, Mas. You know, these ladies right here keep we healthy, and they season everything. Everything you think about, they gather, they season it. You talk about rati, they season the rati. Talk about the fish. You talk about and you could if you want to put a shout out to these ladies out there right now, to kudos to you. Give a shout out to them. Let them know that to appreciate the cooking. Zaline's Kitchen as well in the market. She is still standing strong in there. So these are the backbones of our community that feeds our community day in, day out. Some of these ladies that cook 7 days a week. So we have to recognize these beautiful ladies. You know, when they have fun too, they have fun. I could tell you when these ladies broke out, the ladies and they broke out. Alright, I know they never expect we tonight make we talk about them dinner this way, but I just appreciate, I just love them cooking. It's not like cuss me out, you know, because I pop in, pop out, but because I try to visit all these ladies as much as I can, because I do appreciate the type of food they cook. Belizean food, Garifuna food. You know, we don't know where to find Wokudot. We don't know where to find the rice and beans, your tapo, and your favorite pastries. These ladies have it. So if you want anything to eat, you can always contact these ladies and they will hook you up. They will make you feel good. I could tell you right now. Alright? But before we move along though, I want to acknowledge past tense promotion this weekend. DYFA will be out in Chicago doing our thing, just showing the people again what's going on in the States. So you can see how they party out here. Alright? And I mess a bit now, yeah, but I have to stay here because of certain things. But still inclined at what's happening in Belize, in our country, in Griga. And this is one thing I think about all week long. All week long. We need to support. We need to continue to support. I know these ladies got their support. But the thing is, we cannot go and credit, man. Things get hard. Everything gone up. Ingredients they gone up. The fish they gone up. All the meat they gotta find, chicken, the pork, the beef, everything went up. And they are still selling food at a reasonable price. You gotta run man service there. You know, all the run man service, big up the run man service them, because the run man service make it possible. If you're at work, you're picking at school, wherever you may be, the run man service, like I could think about Keon right now. You understand? And I bear me now. And all these guys I know all of them and support all of them. You know, Nail T, all of them support them. So everybody work together in Griga. This is what I like. This is the love that I get. This is the love that our people get in Dangriga. Sharing the love from the food to the run man there, and they keep the place peaceful. So I just want to encourage or discourage crediting. We not credit for these ladies. These ladies there, for vegetables high right now. Everything is high right now. So when they raise the food price a little bit, don't worry about that. You have to eat. And then I give you what I want. I want to think about these ladies when they dish out their food. They dish out their food. Lot of food they give you. Lot of food. 2 people could eat out of for their plate. Right? So when you go to the China man now, he want to give a little bit of noodles and a little bit of chow mein and a little bit of this. And when by the time you finish, you're hungry again. These type of food, keep you full for a very long, very, very long time. So it's very important that we make sure that anytime I pass the girl, I'll tell the girl, thank you very much, Ezra. Thank you very much, Charmaine. Thank you very much, Bertis. Thank you very much, Norberto. I forget the first name, but I know your father very well. So you are Norberto and Mas together. And I stopped in there one time and I taste your food around the corner on Ramos Road. I mean, I never hungry. To be honest, I never hungry, but I stopped through there and taste the food. I end up to eat the whole plate. And people who know me when I eat, I will eat 2 times out of 1 plate because I don't eat a lot of food. I drink a lot of water and try to keep my body while I fit and think, you know. But why is it that, you know, we don't want to go and credit for our own people, but you can't credit that Chinaman? And then, if you don't get credit for these ladies, you go talk bad about them. All of a sudden, the food not nice again. All of a sudden, they only give limited food. These ladies that cook, they give you their food fully loaded. I could tell you that I can't even handle the food. Half the time, I can't handle the food. So, it's a pity how we behave and treat our own people. You know? Something simple like this, right? Like, you go to the store in a supermarket there and you buy a pack of noodles, or buy bread, or buy water, or buy juice. They think don't package already now. In the frozen section there, in the big refrigerator Chinese, in the Chinese store there. Everything don't package already. You know what they eat there? They're like we buy our own disease. We buy our own sickness, our own illness anytime we go to the supermarket and buy. So this is the solution right there what they talk about. And I really want to share it with our viewers and our friends on DYFA Garifuna radio station 91.7 FM. Because this is the station where we're not afraid for say anything, we're not afraid for talk about anything that affect our community. But we also give solution, and this is a solution to our situation. Griga. We love Griga. We can't let Griga. These are the things that keep us back. The food. And then they are grind, they get up early morning, they marinate their thing. Their thing is nice. These ladies cook nice. I could tell you that right now. I taste every single one of their food. I don't know how they season their crab, or their rati, or their lobster, or their shrimp, but they season it well, and the tail, the pigtail. I don't eat pigtail. I used to eat pigtail, but just the way how it smells, how they all and they are put together. And the good thing I like about it, they hang out together. These ladies are friends, you know. They party together. I always see them at the parties, at the domino place, at the gambling hall, at the casinos. There, these ladies always at the casino. These ladies, I could tell you right now. These ladies take care of we belly like Griga. I could tell you right now. I can't eat. I don't like it when I hear they complain. Some people, they will start out good. They will pay for a 2 plate of food. Then after that, they not pay for it again. Right? That's not good. That's not healthy. Well, let me go to the comment right now. Make we say. Make we say what viewers they got. I don't want nobody mess with me tonight because then this could be a short live about half an hour. So if I eat any parrot, well, we might go longer than that. But right now, I'll stick to the half an hour thing. Right? Make we say what you got to take that. Hold on. All right. Natalie Ramirez, good night. Good night. Very, very good night. All right. Thanks to all the stars. And also, ladies and gentlemen, tune in to YouTube right now because right now we're hot. I like it because of we viewers. Few viewers make it special for we, and we like it. We'll encourage you, make we continue to do the work. Make we say it, guys. Yeah. Yeah, Griga I love. Chica say Griga I love. Wait, Chica, pick up yourself. All these guys trying for the shipping company. Avanda Jones, thank you very much. Queen Faith, Sea Breeze, all the freight company. And you know, we don't have no beef with none of them either because I don't want to have beef amongst themselves. They have this place are big. I tell you this place are big. If you want to ship with one company, you ship with one company. If you don't want to ship with another company, you ship with another company. But the thing is, we could share this. Over 12 million people here. A lot of people. All right? Make we go back to it. How you not put up Josie picture? I don't got Josie picture, Paula, but I mentioned Josie. Josie is my favorite. I eat that Josie most of the time. Josie is my favorite. You know, Josie don't got Facebook and anything there, right? So, but when I get Josie picture for the next show, for she picture, I right that front. Way that front. That is my favorite. And everybody got their own favorite cook. Because Josie treat me with a lot of love stuff. Anytime I go there, I got free access. Okay? So that's why they big up. We don't miss a lot of people up all. I know a lot more people like we got cook. I could tell you that right now. A lot of people like we got cook out of the house. Different flavor, different action. Right? But please, our message for tonight is we don't want with credit for none of the cooks. We don't left something small instead on credit. Only so we will grow, only so we will continue. And that's why they say people just walk through, we can walk through, you know, because they don't know where to go. But we don't use to our cook. Me no going to pay no restaurant, I could tell you that right now. Or $25, $30 for a plate of food. What I don't know, I get my plate for like at least $10, $15. I still feel good. You understand? And that's how we people cook it. We don't know what they put in there. We don't use to the seasoning. We don't want to make up no kind of seasonings for give anyone of we people and then when I get sick, turn around and eat food where we're not used to. If your body not used to certain food, may I tell you right now, all that thing are rotten inside of you. And when it rotten inside of you, it turns into sickness and disease. You got strokes, you always got headache, you always got belly ache, because we're not used to that type of food. But here it is now, we have them girl the cook out of their house, right? And we better order early because sometime, all right, hold on, big up. All right, good, you're right, Paula. Big up for a man that Bridgefoot. Absolutely right. When you want a dollar wap, I could tell you, anytime you want dollar wap, with banana chips, your back, fried back, seasoned well for Riverside, fresh from the Riverside, check out for a man. And for him not stop fry, he stand up and fry, play music all day. So he never run out of wap. For him wap, straight, fresh. No. I know I list some more people, and every time we list more people, they come to my head as well. We also have Fee. Fee, that was a new spot. I like Fee because now you can get Fee. But Fee, we have to open for Friday night, you know, Fee. You're close to Lakeland Recreational Center. You have to open for Friday night. And this is the thing I talk about. I know we respect everybody's religion and thing, but everybody eat 7 days a week. We can't just go eat for Monday to Thursday and Friday we take a pause. We have to eat. Alright? Big up Past Tense Promotion. Chicago will be lit this weekend. I will tell you, we will be there. We will show everything. We're at a stage, so we will show everything. Nobody complain out here. This is one thing I like. Nobody complain out here. They like seeing themselves on camera. They like seeing themselves big up because this is Hollywood. All the camera they make out there, so they don't mind when they show everything out there. We get used to that. That one thing I learn right now, we get used to it. Alright? Again, our message for tonight, man, support our local kitchen. Support our local kitchen. And not hide from that lady when on the order. If you tell her and they come back and not got no change. And nowadays now you could look all the girl like that this banking thing, you know, where you could just transfer money into the account. So don't try to play slick and say you're not gonna have to go to the ATM or the teller machine. Transfer the money into the girl account one time. Because when you eat, how about the girl have to pay for their material there? The ingredients there. Anything not free? And look, I'm extremely happy with the way how we do business at Griga, man. I'm extremely happy with that. And that's why I think about it. I say, you know what? Like I give thanks and praises to these ladies today. And if you don't think about anybody else, please put their name for the live. Right? Good. Now, we go back. I have to go back. I have to go back to the viewers because I know I hear later. I get some text later that I never mention their name. I'm a big up, right? I big up that one and I big up that one. Please, ladies and gentlemen, I just to get better. So I remember everything clearly right now, but everything is looking bright. Okay? Make me say we got out there. Who we got by live? Alright, good. Okay, we not like we want to scrub a dub in a piece. Woo, woo. Alright, there you got that. What else we got? Cecil Jeff Ramos, listen all the way from Manatee, California. Says, good night, man. Good night. I had fun, lad. I had fun. Why? I'm telling you something too. I remember I got other people support local business like the Cold Cup where Sis wife make their Cold Cup. And they telling her right now the Cold Cup they're rich. Their Cold Cup they're rich. Every day my son go buy 4 or 5 Cold Cup. They think they're rich. Alright? And now the other day I come here, invite me to a leave party there for Chaipo. My retirement party, man, that was a nice. I had a great time out there. You know, I feel like family. I feel like friend, long time friend. You know, so I had good time with the entire family, man. Lot of drinks, lot of food, tamales. So both tamales like this, see? Big tamales. I come home, puff belly. I eat a lot. Tell them right now. So they come out here and do the same thing, share the love time. You know, I haven't seen you guys in a long time. I feel good. You know, my spirit take on us, so that's a good thing. Right now, I hope my spirit take on too. You know, cause all about love. Alright. Moving along. Now, one thing about me that I want to clear up. One time I want to clear it up, and now I have to revisit this again. We have this situation, and I will come back, and I want to stray away from the topic, but it just jumped in my mind just now, and I want to clear. It really bother me about lot of accident on them motorcycle like Griga, man. Make we ease up on that. You saw how they broke up. You saw the motorcycle, they broke up. We could always buy one motorcycle. We can't buy back our life. We can't buy back our life or a limb. You could try sewing back a limb, but you are crippled. A lot of people, especially young men, young boys, gonna get on a motorcycle like on our suicide mission on the pan. Like gonna want to go crash every time I get on a motorcycle, right? So please, those are big flavor or favor. Take on a time for them motorcycle agree up. And the run man get the food there for the same young ladies there, we cook. And if you order stew beans and rice, you want beans and rice separate, by the time you get to your house, you think don't mix up already because on the drive rough for the cycle there. Take on the time, man. We got 24 hours in a day on work for about 9-10 hours. The rest on the relax, man. We have enough to go around for everybody. They got some people that crash left, right, and center that have to. We have to limit that. And we have a special show on that. But you know, back to this food business, yeah. Look, anytime you buy from these ladies, you feel like your own sister or your brother or your ma, they cook. You feel like you're at home. You feel a lot of loving on their food there. Nobody not dash up about your food like all they want. They got some big pot spoon. When they dig, then they dig in at the rice. I could tell you that right now. When they have the hudut now, the hudut where they got and cook, every single one they got cook hudut fully loaded. I don't like the fully loaded hudut. I could tell you that right now. I don't like it. I like my hudut just with the milk, the coconut milk, and the fish. Only, I know you season it and leave 2-3 pepper in it. But please not put in no pigtail, or no egg, or no shrimp, or no lobster, or no conchs, or nothing other in my hudut. Crab. Right, crab too. Crab legs. But when they spoil the food in my eyes, that's my opinion, you know. Anybody else could say anything when they want, it's okay. That's alright with me, and I get vexed to know. But once I order my food, I want to make sure to know that I only want to eat my food. I only want to eat my Charmaine, good night, Charmaine. I know you're listening. I have to big on up, girl. I have to big on up. right? Because I really appreciate what you do. You don't depend on no man for make you feed, you know. You don't depend on no man for make yours on the work for no money. I like that. Every single day, fresh food for the sea. Every single day, you get me salute, you work hard. I like that. I could tell her right now. I don't go often, but I eat out. I don't eat for Chinese. I tell you one time, I don't eat no Chinese food. Me don't eat no Chinese food. They are my kind of food, and the food that raised me. Okay? And I hope that we appreciate them once again, because they're not heavy and they got what they run for a long time. Now back to the thing there where really bad. Another thing about me, right? And again, these women have solution for it. They do have solution for it. And I know I could tell them, look, I don't want my thing greasy, you know. I want my thing, certain things in my thing. Okay? But back to the hudut again. Please, ladies, I have nothing against the hudut. When I order my hudut, and please not put in not an ounce of tail in my thing. Keep my thing real. I don't want mine rich. I don't want me. I know Pala and a girl, they eat rich. I don't eat like that. My ancestors tell me I cannot eat the kind of way like that. Okay? Because then you know the add on now, it changed the name of the food now. You don't need hudut again. You can call it anything else. Alright? Fresh fish. I could be tikini, I could be do now. Either which way, I will eat it. Right now, I don't have nothing too much to it. No, I don't want no richness. I don't want that in my food. Alright, so that's the only thing I have a problem with. Okay? So, please, if we take that into consideration. Again, if you have anything for, and you see now, when we work at the, our people work at the shop, you know, make sure that we take care of the ladies who come. Make sure we take care of the ladies who come in the store. You have to serve the gala first. I demand that we serve the gala first when they come in at the store, because they have to cook for we. No, I say another leaf flavor to come out. I like it. I like what Bertiste do. Bertiste, that Johnny Cake thing there. Johnny Cake, beans, cheese, the happy cow cheese there, Bertiste, and a fried chicken. Whoo! I love it. I love it. Well, very versatile. 3 meals. The only thing then, they got this next lady here, Pen Road there, we just come, she sells some States food. I like the States food too now. So they got pancake with syrup and fried chicken. Well, a new place we just opened with a preschool made up at Pen Road. I forget the name of that place, but I don't know what they talk about. The thing, the lady come with a different flavor with orange juice. You know, that is a big breakfast. That breakfast is lumptious, it's delicious. I tried it one time and it take my spirit. My spirit take that lady back there. When she serve you too, with a lot of love. If you want to drink coffee today. Right? Fever grass today. Okay? So every time the things I want to try, let this make that so. If that make the royal, don't try to mess with this live right now, because we're soon finished. Right? Good. So I have to tell you now that I really appreciate what the lady do. They do a wonderful job, and I have to, we the one we eat their food. We the one we traffic through there. Anytime they pick me, they come for school food ready. You don't have to go back, and I know. And I'm here too. This is why I'm here. No. The rest of the ladies, we cannot traffic through the rest of the ladies a lot, you know. I visit, but I don't traffic through a lot. I go to Miss Josie, a lot. But what I notice with we cooks then at Griga, if you only got $5, not tell you are eat something. I see they go up low as $3, so they leave it. Then cooks ya. Charmaine, Bertis, Ezra, Jose, therefore, I know for a fact, Fermento, you know I left for them without eat something. If you only got $5, that's mean the lady will scrape up your $5. Then I just tell you, alright, you can't eat ya or I not serve you. No man. Sometimes they gotta even give you some juice to drink. That's a lot of love. Tell me if you're gonna, and I just to bring it the real way, This is where it happen right now. This is exactly what happened right now. They will give you juice. They gotta juice you off. You know when I don't Chinaman restaurant or any other restaurant, and they will give you at least sample of juice, and they will still complain, they got food expensive. They got food not expensive. You know how much you a pound of chicken right now? You know how much a pound of fish? Least I got fish there like got $8 a pound. Before COVID, the fish are $5 a pound. Right now, $8-9 a pound for fish. And this time not even Easter. It's all around. Wait till when Easter come around then. So we have to appreciate. I just bring that thing up, make we appreciate for we cooks. We love we cooks, make we continue to appreciate and support the thing. Because you could eat sometime, 2 times out of the dish. When the dish out, big pot spoon, and no smally thing where your rice will escape. Your rice can't escape out of that. They gotta keep their rice by lock. And this is the real deal, ladies and gentlemen. So we must appreciate the cooks, man. I could tell you right now. I could smell right now. They must don't need some tortilla. Tortilla don't need. Fried jack done the bubble already. Tomorrow man at Zeline kitchen. I could tell you. She will got it for you. She will got it for you already. You got Penny there and Zeline and her husband. They hook you up. They want to take care of you. Good. Now make us see who else up alive right now. Make us just big up. You will get fat up, that's it. Alright, about that just no man. I don't get fat. I don't get fat at all. You know. But I think about the ladies every day. Whether, yeah, you're right. Let it too. Let it kitchen. No. Make I tell you something about let it kitchen now. Please, I want to share this live. I not even never share this thing yet, no. I tell you, I encourage everybody to share the live. But me, myself, now, to share the live, and I'm in the worry about sharing the live. I'm worry about giving you the information, how I see it. And if you don't want to pick up any other kitchen, let the kitchen now. Woo! That one there. The cow foot soup. Woo! My God. The last time I let it, she got about 100 pepper they float in a pot. The pepper just they float around there. All the flavor, you can see the flavor, they go in the yard. All the steam. And she takes her time and cook. Let it. Nothing, no curdle up there. You know, sometimes like when you cook that hold up there, the little white thing there, the curdle in our little corner there. No, not with let it. Let it got enough pepper for kill out the curdle, everything will float around nice and good. I could tell you could smell the flavor that Letty's kitchen. And she moved across the street now into a different spot right across the street. Everything she just got high tech for me. But I like it still. I really like it. Okay? Now, that will let it. I will deal with my good friend, I'll come to Charmaine directly, but I'm not going to deal with him. The 4 main one, I kind of get and post up their food. I want to see whether I post up for tomorrow and the food they're reasonable. They gotta cook anything, like they gotta fire themselves. That a resort. They gotta want to cook for no resort. If you want to make they gotta cook for resort, they gotta cook for resort by contract. They got a resort style cookers I call it. Charmaine now. I see this girl season and fry rati. She even go catch the rati and fry it. I see this girl all the noodles things there. They fries thing there. The links. You better call early for your food for the girl. Because we don't eat after 4. We don't eat lunch after 4. Alright? They got, that's why I know about Charmaine food. You have to call early. If you not call early, you don't get nothing. Alright? I went to pass for she house. No worry. You will smell the day's menu. Like if she the cook tap out today, you will smell that. They don't pass for there and they say, oh, I must say, well, that you know you will smell that because she will make sure the season flush out. Alright? No. The other cook, I'm going to Miss Bertis Miguel. Bertis Miguel now. My good old friend Bertis, man. You have to be consistent. All of a sudden, I don't know where Bertis depend. All of a sudden, you see something, bow. We got this today. We got oxtail today. Bam, fried fish today. Bertis not play. When she get up and she must don't know, but how I feel about the situation is when Bertis cook, you don't know what you don't know what ketchup. Today, boom. You gotta get some lasagna. Boom. You gotta get some macaroni with some of that little thing there. With some shrimp, macaroni, fries and thing. Boom. That's all just like that Bertis behave. She not give you no warning. Listen for Facebook. Hey, dinner ready now, guys. Dinner ready. That's a Bertis style. I like that style. So all the ladies have for their style. All the ladies have for their style of cooking. All the ladies have for their style of put out for their thing out there like that. So that's for she style. Now let's go to Ezra. Oh my God, Ezra. What happened to Ezra? Ezra food is absolutely lumptious. It's nice. I love it. But Ezra got a little black book there where she write everybody name in here. She like she that like she will tell you the food are ready in a 15 minutes. 20 minutes come, half an hour come, food not ready. She still a cook, but she just want to keep you around there for she company make with talk foolishness. Cause she like talk foolishness with me, right? She like hear jokes and she like hear gossip. So nothing wrong with that. But that's how Ezra behave. So she food nice. She takes she time and she cook she food and she will cook the food right front of you. So you know exactly where to go in at your plate. Right? That's what I like about Ezra. I got a long step where you have to climb to get your food. Right? So kudos to you, Ezra. Big up yourself. Big up the cooks. No, Alberta, again, I don't talk about no Alberta. She good. She surprised me. Honestly, I eat for she one time. Right for Rama showed. And I afraid forgot it because she food just nice. Right? Charmaine, I don't talk about Charmaine already. Fino, I make a phone call, quick one. Now I tell me, Mr. Ida, your food are ready in 20 minutes. By 15 minutes time, they don't call me. I say, but no, don't tell me that 20 minutes is food. Yeah, we're done with the fry, Mr. Ida. That's why we call out. You know, that's why we want to be telling 20 minutes make you not harass me. Because I know how I rest. When I'm hungry, I want to eat. Okay? So, again, make we cut out that style, and not say encourage our people, man. We encourage the viewers, encourage our locals to support the local kitchen. Support the local kitchen. Alright? It's more expensive these days to make, especially if you live by yourself. A lot of times, it's more expensive to make your own food. Alright? And just remember, I never hear about anybody get sick when they eat their girl food. Nobody get sick. Nobody end up the hospital. Nobody complain about pressure. Nobody complain about sugar. All the problems, the common problem we say. Nobody catch no strokes. Nobody catch no fever when they eat their girl food. So that's why it's so important for us to keep eating our own food instead of buying food in a package. Everything frozen, you just put it in a microwave and you eat it. No, man. You know how long that thing there on the shelf? You know how long that thing in the fridge? When every day they get about they get all the ingredients? Huh? Come on. Make we stick to where we know. And we're not going wrong. Nobody can come fool with about we food and scan and make up their face off of we food. Right? Aye. I true Anthony Mackenzie they say that we get stay home. Anytime if you travel and get hey that's our dangerous side about eating the girl food too, you know. Stay home is a phenomenon. Stay home, the girl they really know their thing. So if your mind not powerful, you know, you better eat with your mouth and not eat with your mind. Alright? Because stay home now a thing where really all the girl put it in their food now. Now who get catch scars like they put out one net out there. So stay home is a very dangerous thing for just know that it exists. The girl food, all of the girl food got stay home in there. That is a fact. All the girl food got stay home in there. Can I do some special things to their food? Their food they're not regular. The girl food not regular. All the Grega girl food, Charmaine, Ezra, Miss Miguel, stay home the in the food, so you have to be careful with your mind. Alright? So don't get carried away. Don't get carried away by it at all. Alright, good. So again, thanks again for tuning in, sharing the lives. Thanks again for making us a part of your evening. Just a short message, man. Please don't get vexed with the gal when you owe them. You know, don't make them chase you for their money. Anytime you buy food for our people, please don't make them chase you for their money. That you don't eat, you don't get fat already, you don't feel good already, you don't got all the energy already, and then you don't want to pay them for their food. No, man. No, man. Nelly Arana, good night. Once you don't buy that girl food, please pay for it. Please pay for their food. And sometimes here where they going. No, before I go, I have this thing coming in my mind really quick before I go. When you buy food and you don't pay for your food, no, the dodge they girl no. No, they go and hear what, ladies. Anytime anybody owner, make sure you call the rest of cooks there and tell the cooks there that person owner because what they like though, they want to buy food for you, don't pay for your food and go to the next cook. And want to credit food for the other cook there too. They are, when I pay there, you're not sitting when I pay there. Here where you are sitting. Here where you are sitting. You are sitting right that China man restaurant. They eat up. Right there you are sitting. With the whole family when they owe you a $40, $50 to food. That's not right. That's not right at all. They all of a sudden they stop walk for front of your house. No. They go way around. And when they come in a people's vehicle like that Joe, that because they owe you, they don't get fat already. They don't get fat with your food. Well, expect that you get a food there for free? No, man. No. Good night, Ira. Good night, Nelia. Nelia, the aunt tonight in our good way. Again, we have a lot of problems that we got, but we don't want to talk about the problems because then we don't want everybody to know the problems. They were wrong thing for them. I see it as being wrong. If we got problems that we got, we don't want to talk about it on Facebook. Make we deal with that home. Because, again, a lot of people out the foreign, they will talk bad about Griga. They will talk bad about Belize. Instead they go do something about it, they talk bad about it. No, we can't do that. We can't tell the rest of the world what have we problems. Because they now want to go visit, they will think bad about you. You want somebody to think bad about you, they don't even know you, they will think bad about you. So that's why they talk about food tonight. And they talk about our ladies cooking their food. Make we spread that around. That they got food directly after this now. If they can make a 50 plate for the day, you have to double that. But if you talk about, oh, you get sick after eat food, you get you the sweat, you get headache after eat food, their food not give no side effects, my people. Their food are nice. How long I eat their food at almost 50 years? Never get sick. Never get sick. So, with that, I know it's a big live tonight. We expected it. We expect big things from big people. Alright? So, again, for those who tune in late, just go back. You can watch it on YouTube and see what they talk about. Alright? So I want to make a couple announcement about this weekend. This weekend, Mayor's Cup action inside the legendary Carl Ramos Stadium. Big action. Wabagari playing, YG playing. And then Conquerors is traveling to Belmopan to play Napolis in the inter-district football tournament. DYFA will be in Chicago this weekend. We're going to be showing, you got Reckless, you have Harlem Youths. We have a whole series of, we got a whole series of artists traveling to Chicago, Illinois, and we will be there. We will show it because then we have to show how people party at states. We want to see if they go lower or higher than we agree, but it's all in the name of fun. So big up Past Tense Promotions, big up Vida, big up Reckless, big up Method, big up Roy the Drummer, Wassler Fest, everybody who will watch this live right now. Alright? Just big up on yourself, share the live, and hey, I gotta go. I will see you guys soon. See you guys very soon. But tune in Saturday. You will see everything. We will show everything, okay? So with that said, ladies and gentlemen, it's been a pleasure. I had fun tonight just sharing what we other people have, okay? So with that, ladies and gentlemen, we to go home soon, Grigia, no do hang. He said no. He said no do hang no. La dega hage gaba grass no. So I love no aba iseni how soon Grigia. Hinga. Ayo, no do hang, ayo. Good night.
Buffalo, the baby boy. Okame bagi don lumai bamule luai, bigu nyonguto. Okame bagi don lumai bamule luai, bigu nyonguto. Okame bagi don luai, Madon duragi. Aha, agama ngombe. Maguro monte wako shuni tumayo. Nayego milioni tumayo. Don't make it go, damn it, Bugujuro. The baby came in and the road. Alakutahame to Abu. Ay, ay, ay. Don't make it go, damn it, Bugujuro. The baby came in and the road. Alakutahame to Abu. Ariagapie came in and the road. Ago mama nito. Aluka nago to don't make it go, damn it, the baby came in and the road. Alakutahame to Abu. Ariagapie came in and the road. Ago mama nito. Aluka nago to Big Opa sabi patay pay may ganito. Nino ka po ba mapili? Jabu